Alright guys, here we go. Subterfuge box break number 1772. Series 2. So here, first we got to find out who's going to get Edmonton. Guys, I'm cracking down on non-payments, so if you can't pay for your spots right away, please don't get any. That doesn't go for some people I have agreements with, but Minnesota Wild and Tex. That'll wake you up, Tex. You got Edmonton. So anyways, yeah, I was checking out my totals, and I have over $2,000 in unpaid right this second. So I cannot afford to keep giving out credit for you guys to pay whenever you want. So anyways, Rick, Sean, Tex, Josh, Andrew, Rick, and Aaron, Jack and Aaron, Tex, Josh, and Aaron, Tex and Aaron and Josh, and Tex and Jack, Aaron and Josh and Todd, Aaron and Andrew. So, alright, some darts to pull here. We got 6 for Jack and 3 for Aaron to start off. Is that all? Just a McDavid acetate? You don't want a printing plate and an autograph as well? Jack, 6 darts. Hey, look at that. How about a Pinnacle pack right off the bat? Double 15. I pretty well guarantee you there's no McDavid in Pinnacle. Double 3. Triple 13. Boom saw C. 3 more darts. Triple 12. Triple 18. And single 19. So there you go, Jack. Pinnacle pack. I opened up your Prism earlier. It's on a separate video. I'm mailing that out later too. You got a Brendan Nash rookie card. Brendan Nash rookie card for you. Put on your pile. And 3 darts for Aaron. Curling Night in America. That doesn't sound very good. I'm watching some Randy Rhoads play guitar right now on the computer. Single 16. And double 20 for Jack. Or Aaron. That was Aaron's. Alright, Tex. You already won with 1 good wheel spin. Now you get a second. Yeah, I'm sure he paid right away over there. The Oil, 2 darts for Tex. Wow, Tex, what is with the boom sauce tonight? Single 14, an E, and single 10. E, single 10. Yeah, lots of darts tonight, buddy. Alright, wheel spin for Josh. Yeah, pretty much, eh? Ottawa, which is a Canadian team. 2 darts for Josh. Right. Triple 11. And double 12. And Aaron gets a spin. Hey, Toronto! Jackpot for Aaron, 6 darts. Nice. Right. So, pull some darts for Aaron. Oh, Boom Sauce Letter Night for everybody. There's the A. Triple 12. Single 11. Single 9. Double 1. Refund or fridge magnet. Boom Sauce A. Wow. So two more darts. Single 16. And triple 7. Alright, so I'm going to spin the wheel, see if Erin gets a refund for one of her teams, or if she's going to win a magnet for somebody else. Naturally, I put the wheel away. What was I thinking? The Islanders was Josh's team. Josh, Erin just won you a magnet. And here we go. Yeah, no kidding. The crazy Boom Sauce. Hey, you got Fast and the Furious, I think. Something like that. That guy and the other guy. That's what this magnet is officially called. Dude and the other dude. Alright. It's a magnet courtesy of Erin, and she's got darts. Alright. So we're on 18s, and he hits the qualify. Get 18s for your total. And there's our box of Series 2. I just gave away a couple of these. This box, I think, is from the old case. I can't remember. I cracked a new case tonight, so. Because I stocked up on this for you guys. So I have a bunch at initial release price for a good long time before they get all greedy and jack her up again. Alright. Who's going to get the awesomeness tonight? We'll never know until I get this first pack open. The massively ding corner. Radfaxa for Dallas and Andrew. Rookie retro. Portraits. Andreas Athanasio for Tex. Pretty good kid there, actually. I think he scored tonight or last night. Curling is extremely hard on the legs. Tex, Peter Straka, young gun. I wonder if he's the son of Peter Straka. Nice. OPT red for the Calgary Flames and Josh. Red border, Dougie Hamilton. Last time I pulled a red border is McDavid for Jack. You say Soros for Tex and Nashville Predators. We'll say can you see? There he is. Tex, you got yourself the marquee rookie of Connor McDavid. Which is probably, you know, $700 at his prices. It's a good one to have. I'm guessing it's probably $20 bill. At least. Matt Molson canvas for Tex and Buffalo. Tex, you're getting booed. Are you going to take that? You can't boo Tex. He just got out of the hospital, man. Nick Ritchie for Rick. Young gun. Nikolai Goldobin for Tex Portraits. Yeah, I know, Todd boos everything. Like the kid crying wolf, man. You do it so many times. Evander Kane in a Buffalo uniform. There you go, Tex. At least he's in uniform. Boo Buffalo. Vincent Hinestroza for Josh. Rookie retro. Well, it's not over yet. Dougie Hamilton for Josh. OPG update. He's only halfway through. Oh, Martin Straka. Right. Mikko Rantanen for Todd. Portraits. Nikolai Goldobin for Tex. Young Gun. A lot of Goldobin in tonight, coming out tonight. Yeah, there's that 2 tonight, isn't it? Sergei Kalinin for Aaron. Rookie. That's what I should be doing. Kalinin in my bathroom. It's disgusting. Want no boo for that? Come on, guys. Tyler Randall, rookie rainbow for Sean. Just to see you around, Sean. Hey, Tex, obviously you haven't seen the baseball that's been up. Oh, it's time you'd be calling them, eh? Taylor Lyer for Tex, Young Gun. There you go, Tex. Marquee rookie, Dylan Larkin. Yeah, and then when you phone them, it'll take a while before you get through to somebody that's halfway human. Brandon Saad, canvas for the Jackets. And Tex. Yeah, you got Larkin and the other one. Pretty sweet. Jacob Slavin for Josh. Anton Slepyshev for Tex. I don't think they could possibly do extra. Yeah, you actually gotta call them, Tex, or else it's like a waste of time. For Tex, Joe Thornton. Canvas. Yeah, you gotta call them or else you're just talking to monkeys on the phone, man. They'll never even write it down. Robbie Fabry for Aaron. Last pack mojo for you guys. Eventually, if I ever get it open. Oh yeah, it's the jersey card. Fortport. Derek Fortport jersey with a ding corner. Go figure that. Going to Aaron, and that's going to get Aaron a single 18. I think that's the only one that qualifies too. So thank you guys for your support, and we'll catch you all on the XP Game Use break coming up in a few after I type the sheet. Have a good one.